Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do weekly love reading for Taurus at sign for the month of November, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Taurus, let's see your messages. Seven of Swords, Five of Pentacles. What's going on? Justice. Yeah, for some there is separation, for some there is no contact between both of you. One person in this connection is very sneaky, cheated to you, lied to you, cheated on you. Definitely there is some sneaky energy. One person in this connection is very sneaky. I think you walked away from this person. For some there is partial separation between both of you, there is no contact. Justice. But someone is approaching for second chance. Justice. But you made some major decision at Taurus. Sorry. So let's see some more. This person is very sneaky. Ace of Cups. For some there is separation also. The Empress. Yeah, you stand by your power. You are doing self-love. You are giving priority to yourself, Taurus. Then you will become the Empress like this. Yeah, you overcome whatever happened in your life in past. Some cold shouldering, some breadcrumbing, whatever. Definitely you are now like this. You don't want anybody to nurture you, to love you, because you love yourself more than anybody. And Two of Pentacles. Definitely one person in this connection has to make decision. I think it could be your person may juggling, because your person maybe have options, some other options. They are seeing some other options, because your person is very manipulative, playing mind games, some false communication, miscommunication, whatever. And Chariot, Ten of Cups, oh, Knight of Cups. Yeah, your person want to return to you. They want to make some move towards you. They have strong emotions for you. They want this happiness with you. For some, you are making something new. You are making something new in your life. You are starting something new, and yeah, you also get happy from there, like working for towards your goals, whatever. But your person have strong emotions for you. Knight of Cups. Even though you have emotions for your person, still you are working on yourself, because self-worth is, you have to give more importance to self-worth than anybody, Taurus. So let's see. Energy could be vice versa. Wow, the Fool. Princess of Wands. Okay. High Priestess. Wow, you are in this very beautiful energy, Taurus. The Fool. You are started something new in your life, like job, career, and something new, and you are very happy. You are living in present moment. You are going with the flow, and you are going in the flow with the life. Yeah. Princess of Wands. Definitely you are very passionate about what you are doing right now, and you are going to receive some messages from your person. And High Priestess here. Definitely you are trying to balance things in your life, relationship and career, whatever, and you are trusting your intuition moreover. Yeah, you are trusting your intuition, because trust your intuition, it never goes wrong. Wow, this is very beautiful energy. So let's see your person, your future actions and their current feelings towards you, Taurus. First, see your person current feelings towards you. Okay, the World, Empress, their feelings towards you. Ten of Cups. Yeah, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, different countries and different states. Some distance and some traveling is involved. And the Empress, definitely they are seeing you like this. Empress, you stand by your power. Already 2 times the Empress card is here. Definitely they are seeing you like this. You are a mother for children also here. And Ten of Cups. Yeah, definitely they want this happiness with you. Ten of Cups 2 times. They are wishing for this with you. But it's totally up to you, Taurus, because it's now in your hands. The decision is, because your person is sneaky in past. They did something to you. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Temperance, Eight of Swords, Four of Cups. Yeah, they are stuck right now. They are not going to take any action in near future because right now they are stuck. They are willing for this happiness Ten of Cups with you, but they are waiting mode. They are in waiting mode because like this, they are like this. They are not making any more due to they are stuck. Their hands, their eyes, whatever, and yeah, they are waiting patiently to unstuck and to come towards you. And their temperance, you or your person could be Sagittarius also. And Four of Cups, they are sad for the missed opportunity with you in past. They are feeling very very sad for the missed opportunity because they don't see the cup of love which is offered by you in past. Now they are feeling regret for that. Yeah, they are stuck right now, Taurus, your person, but you stand by your power. You are in very 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 positive energy. So let's see some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Whew. A lot of energy, but I'm not going to take any of these cards. Take your time. Okay, let's okay, Five of Cups and Three of Wands. Yeah, cards are really, what is the message is coming from these cards, and connection cards saying exact message giving. See, two more cards from this deck. Crazy. Hermit. Crazy. I already told you crazy. It's, yeah. There is separation. One person is walked away. It is you, Taurus. 99%. But energy could be vice versa. Five of Cups with Eight of Cups. Definitely separation. Most of you are in separation. And I already told you, person is stuck. Definitely the Hermit energy. Definitely the connection is also stuck. Because you are doing your stuff. Your person is stuck right now. Definitely there is no moment in this connection right now. And Three of Wands. Yeah, waiting. You both are waiting. I think your person is also waiting for unstuck to come towards you. Yeah, this connection right now in waiting mode. Yeah, this connection is also stuck right now. There is separation. I think you both walked away from each other. You both feeling sad for the separation. But you overcome this energy, Taurus, and you are in now full energy. This is, you are going with the flow. Wow. Yeah. But your person right now stuck and they are feeling very sad. But they want this happiness, Ten of Cups happiness with you. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign or water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Lot of water energies here. Aries, Leo, fire energy, and Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. But lot of water energies here. Lot of water energy. You both could be water signs also. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Taurus, Seven of Cups, Judgment, and Hanged Woman. I think you are also somewhere stuck in starting, but you overcome this, and yeah, you made some major decisions in your life. Judgment and Seven of Cups. Some more options are opening in your career life, whatever you want to do. Definitely, if you are working towards your goals, definitely there are a lot of options opening for you. And for some, you have options also in relationship wise also. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Yeah, but some important decisions you are going to take in near future, Taurus. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. King of Swords, Two of Swords, and Nine of Cups. Yeah, I already told you Two of Pentacles is here. Definitely your person has to make some decision. Two of Swords. Right now they are at some crossroads. And Nine of Cups. Definitely they are willing for this connection. Their wish fulfillment is this connection. But some communication issues are here because Queen of Swords definitely will receive some communication from your person. I think your person may be air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Yeah, they want clarity or they want to give clarity to you, Taurus. But Taurus, you are following your intuition. Definitely, you are in very, very good energy. Keep it up and keep going like that. And yeah, your person right now stuck. If you are waiting for your person, definitely they will approach you, like they will message you or call you, but it will take some time. So you have to work on yourself until, because right now they are stuck. They see you like Empress and they want this 10 of cups happiness with you. So this is the reading for you, Taurus. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please support me guys and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. Bye. Thank you so much for the support.